In Japan, it is the must to schedule an appointment in order to have a smoother flow of transactions. Let's talk about it. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will teach you how to make an appointment and how to change it too. There are various ways, but we will teach you the easiest way to do it as foreigners. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。It is important that you know the telephone number of the shop, clinic, or any establishment which you are interested to go before making an appointment. If you are new, please expect that you will be needing to give some basic information, so better be ready with those. But if you are a regular customer, just be ready with your member's card number. 挨拶 or greetings are very important in Japan, so you must develop the habit of doing that each time you make a phone call or even during personal encounters. To watch our episode on that, just click this link. In making an appointment, you may say both your greetings and your intention for calling. For example, もしもし、こんにちは。予約を取りたいのですが which means, hello, good day, I would like to make an appointment. After the customer service in church heard you saying this, you will be asked if you're a new customer or regular one. After giving some personal details, you will be asked for the date and time which you prefer to come personally. Let's practice. もしもし、こんにちは。予約を取りたいのですが。How about if you have a more important appointment which coincides with your previous appointment? It is a must that you call to reschedule or cancel your appointment days before or depending on establishment's policy. To reschedule an appointment, you may say, もしもし、お忙しいところすみません。前回の予約を変更したいのですが This means, hello, I'm sorry, I know that you're busy, but I'm calling to reschedule my previous appointment. Then the person on the other line will do some verification that you are the same person who called and made the previous appointment. If verified, you will be asked for the new date and time of appointment. If the date and time is available, you will be happily informed about it. If not, you will be given options like different date or time. If it will not meet your personal schedule, then you will have to cancel your appointment. To cancel, you may say, すみません。その日は空いていません。予約をキャンセルしてまた電話します。This means, I'm sorry, I can't make it on the date. I will just cancel my appointment and call you again. Let's practice. すみません。その日は空いていません。予約をキャンセルしてまた電話します。I hope that this episode will help you to be more confident in making or taking phone calls. You may always watch this video to practice with me, but for now, here's a summary of what we have talked about today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。